The Unagi Model 1E500 electric scooter is a top-of-the-line scooter that offers a host of features designed to make it the most portable and convenient scooter on the market. One of the standout features of the Unagi scooter is its incredible handlebar. Made of magnesium alloy, the handlebar is lighter than aluminum and is engineered to function as a sleek, integrated command center. This makes it easy for riders to control their scooter, while also reducing the overall weight of the scooter, making it easier to carry. The Unagi scooter also features a superior deck that combines aluminum and silicon to provide both rigidity and comfort. Without seams, joints, or harsh finishes, the deck is designed to be both durable and comfortable to stand on, even during longer rides. Perhaps the most impressive feature of the Unagi scooter is its patented one-click folding system. With the push of a button, the scooter folds and locks into a compact, easy-to-carry shape, making it more convenient to transport than any other scooter on the market. Other features of the Unagi scooter include its tube-of-all-tubes made from Toray carbon fiber, the same material used in SpaceX rockets, as well as custom-designed tires that provide responsive balance and road feel. Additionally, the Unagi scooter's custom kickstand is designed to integrate seamlessly with the deck, making it sturdy, simple, and practically invisible when riding. Overall, the Unagi Model 1E500 electric scooter is an impressive piece of engineering that offers unparalleled convenience, durability, and style.